What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we're just going to do a quick unboxing of this BCM Gunfighter VG Mod 3 M-LOK Compatible grip here. And a lot of people run this on their ARs, and we're going to go over why here in a sec. But with that, I just want to show you a quick unboxing of it and what all it comes with. So with that, let's go ahead and get into it. As far as packaging, pretty simple packaging, nothing fancy here. You are going to need some scissors to get this bad boy open because it's that plastic. So let me go ahead and give it a cut open. Then we'll cut down the side here as well. Make these things almost child-proof, it seems. There we go. See if we can just wiggle it out now at this point. And I'm sure you guys will do a better job opening this than me. We'll get that out, and then in the back here, there's actually a little wrench that comes with it. We'll pull this out to see if there's anything else. Packaging, we'll toss aside. This, sad, no stickers or anything, but that's all right. We got what we came here for. So all you get is the actual grip here and the wrench to go ahead and attach it. Let's go ahead and talk about this a little bit more. Here's what the grip looks like, and you're going to use this on your foregrip up front on your gun, whether it's an AK, AR, or whatever else. And this is M-LOK, so anything with an M-LOK rail you can attach it to. They give you this nice long wrench. All you have to do is find the hole here, put it into your M-LOK there, and then turn it and tighten it down, and this will be secure. So pretty easy and simple to use. Overall grip and texture on it, I really like this texture, and then you have this grip here on both sides, because more than likely this will be, I'm right-handed, so your support hand here, it'll be coming in like this to grip it. So great texture here to go ahead and then almost get a good C-clamp on it. Great choice. And you can actually run this, you can see it's a little angled. You can run it like that, where this is a crevice for your hand to come into, or you can run it like this, where it's more of a hard stop up and down grip as well. Whatever your preference is, you can put it on either way. So let's talk about why this grip is so popular and why so many people use it on their ARs or shorter rifles. So as you can see, this is it has an angle to it. I believe it's like an 89 or an 88 degree angle when you have this attached. So that angle is from the bore or your barrel. And reason being is because according to the ATF, you can't have a vertical grip on any overall gun length of 26 inches. So a lot of those 10.5-inch ARs or even like a 13.5-inch AR, they're too short. And then in that case, you have to use a hand stop. You can't use a 90-degree vertical grip. So enters the gray area solution of the BCM Gunfighter one. This is not a 90-degree angle to the bore. So technically, this could be classified as a angle grip and not a vertical grip, and it can be utilized on a 10.5-inch AR. So yeah, that's why a lot of people use it, and it is a great grip. And again, a lot of people, they don't actually grip it like this because as you see, you got a pinky hang off. So again, they're using it as a hand stop like I plan to use to grab just like your pinky index there and then get around the barrel and then get a good C-clamp. And again, it's acting as a hand stop, not a vertical grip. So that's why this is so popular, because you can throw this on those shorter barreled ARs or AKs, whatever you want to put it on, and it acts as a great hand stop overall for controlling your rifle as well. So that's it as far as a general overview. All I wanted to share here as far as an unboxing and why this is so popular. I'm excited to get this thrown on. This is actually my first one, but I've used a couple other ARs with it and really like the feel of it. I'll keep you guys updated with how this goes. If you guys like this one, I'd love to hear your feedback down below as far as using this grip, or if you have a different grip, let me know as well. Always curious to get some feedback and hear what everyone else is using. But if this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Got more videos coming on the way here, and got a bunch up already. And until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.